Hi, I'm back. In this video, I want to share some projects made with the Tag Buffet Project Kit, utilizing the Tags Buffet stamp set, shaded spruce, real red ink pad colors, and some dimensionals. I did add some additional product for these samples. I'm making some Christmas cards, so I have some Whisper White envelopes, the gold foil sheets, red rhinestones, the beautiful sheer real red ribbon, Whisper White cardstock. I also included an embossing folder. It is one of the new dual pack embossing folders in the Heartwarming Hug Suite, and I made a basic card front, and it has the embellished Whisper White cardstock with the folder, a half-inch strip of the gold foil paper that allows you to maximize your specialty papers and the dimensions on the cardstock. If you want to just pause the video and take a screenshot or a photo of this, this is going to give you the dimensions of the cardstock and the supplies that I added. I'm going to show you the individual gift tags that are made per the instructions in the kit. They are beautiful tags. You have enough supplies to make 5 each of these beautiful tags. And these that I'm showing you right now are made just exactly per the instructions in the kit. I took the supplies for one of the tags and I utilized those supplies to make 3 different greeting cards. So that's the layer 1 of the gift tag. The middle layer part of the tag, I made another greeting card, and the bottom layer with the designer series paper, I made another card. For this tag, that's the bottom layer, the middle layer, and the top layer. You'll notice that I cut that embellishment in half because I used half of the other half underneath the cardinal on the first card I shared with you. So I was able to take each one of the supplies for one of each of the tags and create 3 cards from that. And then that means that I was able to make 18 cards using the supplies for one each of those tags. And you can pause this video at any time if you want to take a closer look at how I assembled these cards. But that is a great way to take this kit and turn it into a greeting card, a holiday card. As I mentioned, I was able to create 18 greeting cards using the supplies for 6 of the gift tags, 1 of each design. But that's not all. You can take these supplies and decorate your packaging. You can use them for gift tags or decorate some of our Stampin' Up! Product. We have acetate boxes you can put gifts or greeting cards in. We have little 3x3 boxes that you can put candy or 3x3 note cards. We have the mini pizza boxes that you can put candy, all kinds of gift ideas in. Our mini paper pumpkin box is perfect for note card size. And then we have some cello bags you can decorate. This one actually is tall enough for lotion from Body and Bath. And you can take that box it comes in, regift that, put a to from on the back of the tag. You can make place settings. You can do all kinds of fun things. And you can also take this and make a banner with a set of the supplies. As I noted in the previous video, you get extra tree images, and I utilize those in the banner. And there are so many fun things that you can do with this beautiful Tag Buffet project kit. I had fun with it, and I know you will too. Enjoy!